through joy and Christ. This one day is so full of delight, all warm and perfumed with life, and the pieces of us we find form, talks, memories, dreams, applause, hard, soft, melting, concrete, together merge, meet and distill. A very good afternoon to all present here. Today is a celebration of the times gone by, a romance recalling many precious moments that you have lived here. We have in our midst today the students of 1995 batch who have graced our halls with their better halves and children for the first time today. A loving and a blessing-infused welcome to you all. On behalf of our President, Mr. Atul Chaudhary, our Director, Mrs. Kumudini Chaudhary, our Director Academics, Mrs. C. James, and the Principal, Mrs. Smita Rathore, I extend a heartfelt welcome to you all. And also, we are deeply honored and privileged to have amidst us a bright brigade of teachers who have shared a long, unblemished association with this institution over these rapidly fleeting years. A heartfelt welcome to you all. We sincerely wish that you have a fulfilling journey and go down the memory lane, recreating the joyful years gone by and rekindling fond memories. Once again, a heartfelt welcome to all present here. And now, an auspicious start to today's program. I would like to call upon Head Girl of 1995 batch, Mrs. Shruti Maheshwari, now Shruti Malpani, to come and light the flame of knowledge, dispelling the darkness of ignorance shrouding us. A proud honor for Shruti to Thank you, Shruti. Thank you, Shruti. Joined by the other management members. A proud honor for all of us. Gagan for doing the honors. And now I would call upon Mrs. Gomti Iyer, the house captain of Tagore House, to come and switch on the light of her house. Tagore House Vice Captain, Mrs. Gomti Iyer. Thank you, Gomati. It would be an honor to call upon Avinash Matthew, the house captain of Gandhi House, to switch on the light of Gandhi House. Thank you, Avinash. And may I now request Sandeep Mundra, Captain of Raman House, to do the honors of switching on the light of Raman House. Thank you, Sandeep. And now I would request Mr. Aditya Upadhyay of Subhash House to switch on the light of Tagore House, Subhash House, so very symbolic of dispelling the darkness of ignorance. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And now, our President, Mr. Atul Chaudhary, lights the flame of knowledge. Thank you all. Now we would have the school assembly conducted by our own students. I would request the students of 1995 batch to join our students for the assembly. And I would also request Mr. Avinash Matthew to take over to conduct the assembly.
Can I request each one of you to please stand and come, no, not you. The batch only, not the faculty, please, thank you. And please stand according to your houses. You can do that here. You sure? No houses? So are you sure you will do the prayer along with me? The entire prayer has to be sung by everybody. Raman, stand here. Ready? Orchestra team, can we start please?
Attention everybody. I would request everybody to stand up.
The school break. Oh yes.
Assembly, stand at ease. Assembly, attention. Let us be prepared to start the prayer. Pledge. Please repeat after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Prince Doc, part of the prayer this week.
Gathered here for a very solemn occasion. Nostalgia is an understatement. Today is more of a homecoming. Hard work, clubbed with the proper resources, is what builds lives. And here at IPS, it has always been about guiding and shaping young life. I, Taha Khan, welcome you all to our second home and alma mater, Indore Public School. School life is a journey that gives substance to young lives, an experience of a lifetime. What it means to everyone present here is not subject to any sort of justification. The fact that each and every one of you is here is a testimony to the fact that you hold your school very close to your heart. School life is all about sincerity amalgamated with pure innocence. The friends we make here last us a lifetime. The values imbibed here stand by us in the long run. Schools and colleges hold different places in our lives. Yet, every one of you will agree that personality profiles are written in school. The answers to the questions faced in the walks of life are only found in the school corridors. Today, as you all gather here, flashes of the yesteryears must be taking you back to those days. Days when innocence was natural and decisions were taken from the heart. The times when choosing a crayon was the toughest decision to make and making friends was the easiest thing to do. I want every one of you to take a moment and walk down the memory lane. Turn back the clock and be there. Give your today for all that had happened yesterday. And trust me, you will cherish this experience all the more. To conclude, I thank you all for being here. Your presence itself talks volumes of what these red buildings mean to you. It shows that these are way more than just brick structures. They are closets of memories that will follow you wherever life takes you. Here's to this undying love of a student for his school and yours for Indore Public School. Thank you.
Thank you, Taha. Okay guys, welcome to the alumni reunion of 1995 batch. As we all know that we've gathered here after 18 years, long memories that we have had for the classes, for the corridors, for even the gardens outside, which we all had. Toilets, yeah, the fans, the toilets and everything, yeah, I remember. So, to start off this journey down the memory lane, let me invite Amit Chauhan to give us a welcome address on behalf of the entire 99 batch. Thank you.
Just to continue with the starting, if you remember after the prayer and the pledge, we used to have a thought for the day, right? So just a thought came to my mind right now. I read a couple of days back that true friends are often like mirrors and shadows, because mirrors don't lie and shadows don't leave. I'm so glad to be here. Good afternoon, namaskar, a warm hello and sadar pranam. Respected Achal Chaudhary sir, Rajesh Chaudhary sir, Kumudini madam, Cynthia James madam, Tripta madam, Singh sir, Rathore ma'am, and all the very dear teachers, or our special, respected and very dear teachers. On behalf of the batch of 1995, I welcome you all here and thank from the bottom of my heart for you have taken your time out to come here and be a part of our small effort to relive the memories of our school time. Thank you for coming. And my dear friends, all those friends who have come from cities outside Indore, from states outside MP, and even from countries outside India, I welcome you all on your own behalf. So, welcome you all, friends. I must say one more thing, that sometimes it can be very difficult to identify some people if you are not active on Facebook. AC Junior. I know many of you have been waiting very eagerly for this event, just like me. And before coming to an event like this, that too after 18 long years, many questions come to your mind, like you are very eager to know many things about your fellow people, as if like, where are they now? What have they done with their lives? Is it okay now? Okay. So I was saying, like, before coming to such an event after such a long time, many questions come to our mind about our fellow batchmates, like where they have been, what they have done with their lives, who are they with, what do they look like. I'm sure many of you look the same. And questions also come like, have they made millions? Kyo Devan bhai? Do they own a private plane? Apu? Or have they become a pastry celebrity? Shruti? I know, I fully believe that many of such questions have been answered in past 2-3 days, and some more questions will be answered today as our dear friends will share their memories, their anecdotes, their some remembrance of the time they were here and they were very obedient, sincere and disciplined students. And I'll also request our respected teachers to share their memories they have of us when we were Seedhe Saadhe Bachche of this school. So we will hear from you and our dear teachers. Just I'll take some time to tell you what happened in last 18 years. As a batch, as a class, as a group, what we have achieved in last 18 years. After leaving from this place, many people have gone on to pursue their higher education or their profession of their choice. Now, our batchmates have obtained degrees like BE, ME, MBBS, MS, MCom, LLB, MBA, CA, PhD, and many more. So you are sitting in company of very knowledgeable people today. And also seated amongst us are engineers. Any engineers? Yeah? Doctors? Doctor? Architect? Yeah? We have teachers. A big hand for Ronika. She is the principal of one of the schools now. We are proud of you, Ronika. We have builders, Devan bhai. And many more, many builders. And we even have bodybuilders. But somehow he is not here today. Or Namdi, Satnam, bodybuilder, yeah. We have jewelers, Rajat. Yeah. We have rock star, Dipesh. We have industrialists, business tycoon, Yusuf. We even have politicians. I just came to know one of our batchmates is an MLA somewhere. Yeah, in Khilchipur is an MLA, so we even have politicians. Then we have entrepreneurs, managers, fashion designers. And we even have one of our friends as a spiritual guru, Sunil. Yeah. And as a batch, what else we have done? We have traveled to many parts of the world as a batch. To attend this meet, I welcome them all again. Many of us have been married since almost 15 years now. Devendra again. A big hand for Devendra, he is icon of our batch. Big hand for Devendra. Some have been married for 5 to 6 years, some for 10 years. Again, Devendra, yeah. Some people have as many as 2 to 3 children, and some of them don't have any that they are aware of. And at that, some of us have even married our schoolmates. Yeah, Ranjit, Poonam, Saurabh Dawal, Swati, they have even married our schoolmates. So I feel as a batch we have done pretty well for ourselves and we should be proud of ourselves. And considering that passing out from this school as the starting of a new life, as a new birth, we have just done 18. We have just done 18 and 18 years is the age of getting many rights. Right to vote, right of having driving license. So friends, be ready with your driving license to drive down the memory lane and vote for some of your best yades after this. And 18 years, I think girls get one more right to get legally married. So girls, decide for yourself what you want to do with that right. I'll take 2 more points. I want to take names of 3 people because of whom they have played a very important part in bringing this group together, forming some committees, exchanging thoughts, exchanging ideas, and planning the things. The 3 people are: first is Brian Acton, second is Jane Cobb, and the third is Sandeep Mundra. You know Sandeep Mundra, everyone. The first 2 are the founders of WhatsApp. And remember, the motto of our school was care, capacity, capability. And sir, madam, we have truly imbibed that motto. The fact that so many of us has gathered here shows how much they care for their friends. They have come all the way from long distances to be part of this. It shows the care. The way the core committee and other people have organized this event shows their capability. And the amount of liquid of all sorts that has been consumed in last 1 week shows your capacity. Thinking about reunion often makes you maybe compare your lives with others, where you are, where they were. Sometimes meeting after so many years. But I feel comparing our lives with each other is a simple waste of time, because there is no single way to judge your happiness or your success. So I believe whatever way, wherever you have been, whatever way you have lived your life for 18 years, living that life that way makes you feel successful and happy today. So I welcome you all again. And now I'll invite some special people here to deliver their small speech or just share their thoughts with us. First of all, I'll invite a person who is an able leader, a very nice person, and who has extended her full support for organizing this event. I'll call Madam Smita Rathore, the present principal of IPS.
Thank you, Amit. Respected Chaudhary sir, Chaudhary ma'am, Rajesh sir, James ma'am, all revered our senior teachers who have been a part of IPS. Batch 95, wonderful batch of 95, and all my colleagues and all dear council members, current children who are there in the school. First of all, I would like to extend a very, very warm and hearty welcome to this wonderful batch of 95 in your school. Coming here after 18 long years, I can fully understand that it must have been a very sentimental journey, and the way I have been seeing you since last evening, I spent some time with you last evening and today also here, it really feels very, very good that all of you have taken out time to be together and to relive your moments in IPS. Time is very precious for all of us, and taking out time to be with each other and for the school, I think it says a lot and it means a lot to us also. We Also appreciate the efforts of the core committee who have worked so hard to bring this batch together and organize it so well, and at the same time each one of you for coming here and being with us. It feels so great and it feels so nice that you are all here with us today. You all are a measure of success for the school. You have, when we listened to just now, when Amit told us what all you are doing and what all your achievements are, I think you have defined the worth of IPS. And we are very, very proud of this fact. I would also set some expectations with you, and that is, please be connected. We need your support for all that we do for the growth and development of our school, your feedbacks, and of course, all-time connectivity and support for our children and for the school. That is one expectation that we have from all of you here. Once again, on behalf of complete IPS family, let me tell you that it's a pleasure, great pleasure to have you all here, and a very, very warm welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Who has always been our role model, our inspiration, our guiding light. A person who was, who is, and who will always be very special to us, Madam Cynthia James.
Last evening, when I met you and had an informal talk with you all, and each one of you, when you touched my feet, my eyes were moist because you were not touching my feet, you were touching my heart. And when you came and asked me, "Ma'am, have I dressed up properly according to the occasion? Am I behaving properly? Whatever we have done, is it right or not?" Children, I take this opportunity to salute you all. The teachings which have been given to you from this institution, you have followed in totality. And I think it is the reward for each one of us, which you have demonstrated with your actions, the way you were moving in a party, the way you were talking, the way you were enjoying. You had a class of finesse, which was my sole aim along with the academics. Seeing your love and affection and the managerial quality which I feel and I saw, children, those who have arranged this, is marvelous. You are a good planner. The execution was excellent, is excellent, and I think you will carry on this, and my student council members, those who are present over here, I feel that they will be following the suit. As the principal has just mentioned, that I would like you to be connected with us. Because this generation, to tell you very frankly, the way and the moment, if I stand in front of them, they will think the sermon is coming, and nowadays, this generation, they loathe sermons. I think if you come and you share your feelings and you share your experience, that how you have reached the pedestal, I think they will follow the suit. And this is what my request, that you join our hands in teaching the real things of life to them. We are there, we are trained to teach them academics, we are trained them to help them to some extent to have choose their good career like you all have done. And when I have talked to the children, I couldn't believe you. Believe you me children, that I know the faces, those who were standing outside the classes, in front of my offices, and I never thought that you will be enjoying those positions which I could not reach. And I hope that your children should be reaching there. Yesterday when I asked your children, when I was talking to some of your children, I said, beta, am I looking like your Dadiji? Am I looking your Naniji? I think some of them, they said, yes, like Dadiji. Some of them, they said, like Naniji. And some of your children have refused to even accept me. So, I think the same feeling which you have, let your children also have that opportunity to recognize our work. I feel I will be proud, I will share my moment of my days, that you must have heard the name of Christ Church School. That's my school of Jabalpur, and it is in Agra also, where my mother had studied. The same school I have studied. The same school my children have studied. 3 generations. And when I went to that school, my mother requested then that principal that my daughter should be in greenhouse. When I went there and put my daughter, and I was the teacher in Christ Church Boys School, I requested the girls' school principal that my daughter should be in greenhouse. So all the 3 generations were in greenhouse, and for quite some time, I think, we kept on going, attending the anniversary of the school. That school today is 172 years old. That's my dream, children. That those generations should come, and what I'm speaking about here, they should also be speaking about that school with that pride. You all are successful children, and I feel the successful people are not born, they are self-made. They don't want to be they always want to be the trees, certainly not the shrubs. They always want to be the flowing fountains and not the trickle. I know, children, that you all will be also wanting that. If you raise your head, I think you have got the power and you can muster up the courage to move the mountains. You should not believe in making the castles in the air. And I will not take much of your time, children. It was lovely spending the time with you. And I'm so proud I can't tell you that you have brought all the laurels for this school. I always told you, the grooming classes and the English classes which I have taken of each children sitting over here, I think, children, you have paid me back. Telling you, you have paid me back. And I would like you to tell the students of other batches also, that they do the same. I want that nobody should say, there are two expressions always. One is there, beta, where did you study? They say, I studied in Indore Public School. The expression should be, oh, you studied in Indore Public School. And if you are not doing well in your life and your children and the other students, if they say, I think, when you say the thing, the same question is asked, beta, where did you study? I think if you will answer Indore Public School, acha, Indore Public School mein padhi. There's a difference between the two expressions. The worthy teachers are sitting over here. They never thought that what money they are getting. They have put their heart and soul into that. They have done justice with their profession. I think, pay them back. Brought that vision. They have brought that school with that vision. I think we all, teachers, myself, the present principal, you children and the other students of this school can join their hands to fulfill their dreams. The teaching is there on the screen, will be there. This is just reminder what you have been taught from 90 to 95, rather 87 to 95 when you were here. I think these are the teachings by your good deeds and actions. Leave your own sunshine wherever you go. I think this is the complete motto of this thing. And personally, you should do the work before you are asked. I feel it there that whenever you forget yourself and you do the work, do the service, go absolutely lost in that service, that is the time. जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं, अपने आप को उस संस्था से, उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अपने आप को झोंक दो। जब आप अपने आप को भूल करके अपने आप को उस संस्था में झोंक दोगे, उस काम में झोंक दोगे, उस इंडस्ट्री में झोंक दोगे, उस काम में जो आप कर रहे हो उसमें झोंक दोगे, तभी लोग तुम्हें जनरेशन टू जनरेशन याद करेंगे। So, be original children and always think big and keep on moving, and our prayers are with you when you are all moving. And I think we are standing on the global stage. You have made the names. Join our hands for our children, for the future generation, to make their name on the global platform. Thank you very much. Enjoy the evening. And you all have touched our hearts, children. And we are really thankful to bringing everyone on this day. This particular day, this Sunday is very, very important. Why it is important? Because you have for the first time brought your wives, brought your husbands, brought your children on IPS platform. For that, I am grateful to you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You are always an inspiration. Thank you, ma'am. Now I'll request Madam Rashmi to start with the journey of IPS after 9.
I would now
आपकी यादों के साथ आईपीएस के 26 वर्षों के सफर पर ले चलते हैं। वे इस संस्था के पितृवृक्ष थे। श्री राजमल जी कोरवाल के स्वप्न को साकार किया श्री अचल चौधरी जी ने, जिन्होंने अपने स्वयं की शिक्षा एक छोटे से गांव रामपुरा से प्रारंभ की। अपने अथक परिश्रम द्वारा आईआईटी खड़गपुर से आर्किटेक्चर की उपाधि सिल्वर मेडल प्राप्त करके, कहते हैं हर सफल पुरुष के पीछे एक स्त्री का हाथ होता है। आपकी सफलता में आपकी अर्धांगिनी श्रीमती कुमुदनी चौधरी का बड़ा हाथ योद्धा आईपीएस की स्थापना से लेकर आज तक श्री अचल सर का साथ देने के लिए श्री योगेंद्र जैन सर, श्रीमती उर्मिला जैन, श्री राजेश चौधरी सर एवं श्रीमती संगीता चौधरी मैडम के सहयोग को भुलाया नहीं जा सकता। श्रीमती जेम्स मैडम ने प्रिंसिपल का चार्ज श्रीमती स्मिता राठौर मैडम को हैंड ओवर किया। अपनी शैशव अवस्था में एक इमारत, चंद बच्चे, कुछ बस एवं स्टाफ लेकर चल पड़ा यह कारवां अपनी मंजिल की ओर। स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क निवास करता है। इसी उद्देश्य की पूर्ति हेतु स्कूल द्वारा उत्तम व पौष्टिक भोजन, खेल के मैदान, मेडिकल, ट्रांसपोर्ट एवं रहने के लिए छात्रावास की सुविधा स्कूल परिसर में ही उपलब्ध कराई गई। आईपीएस एक ऐसा विद्यालय है जहां पढ़ाने के लिए अनुभवी शिक्षक, तकनीकी शिक्षा के लिए हाईटेक कंप्यूटर लैब, शिक्षा को बेहतरीन ढंग से समझाने के लिए एडुकॉम स्मार्ट क्लासेस की व्यवस्था की गई। खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे खराब, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब। अब ये कहावत पुरानी है। इस कहावत को नई सोच दी आईपीएस ने। खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे देश की शान, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे होगा सम्मान। इसी कहावत के साथ